Hello, I'm Darcy, the Senior Marketing Manager for Ostomy Products here at Coloplast, and I'm here with Athena Carlson, an Ostomy Care Advisor from our Coloplast Care program. We're here today to talk about our Coloplast Care Welcome Kit. This goes out to each person enrolled into our educational program on ostomy lifestyle and product choices. Our goal is to offer product and lifestyle information to new ostomates living their life with an ostomy. Some nurses will enroll patients during your pre-surgical teaching session, while you're in the hospital, or even during an outpatient visit. Or you may have chosen to sign up for the program yourself. Athena, do you want to walk us through what's in the Coloplast Care Welcome Kit?
Yeah, for sure. Let's unbox it. We provide a different product teaching book for parents of kids who have an ostomy, which you can see here. And then we also include a letter to other caregivers of the child to help inform them about the ostomy. And there is also a book for kids to read on their own with the information about their condition as well, so they can learn. For teenagers, we do have a separate education booklet as well, since their needs are very different from a child's. In terms of products for kids, we do have a pediatric line. So that means that the barriers are much smaller and the pouches themselves also are a lot shorter for our pediatric ostomates.
Thank you so much, Athena. And if you're watching this video and have questions in the United States, please reach out to Coloplast Care Advising Team at 877-858-2656. Our advisors speak English and Spanish. You may also sign up at the Coloplast Care website we're showing here. Information from Coloplast Care is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations. You should rely on the healthcare professional who knows your individual history for personal medical advice and diagnosis.